will come to agricultural machinery. The giant machine resembles a giant penguin, with two sharp blades that can harvest wheat over large areas in just minutes. The sound of wind whistling through the jet blades and the glint of metal in the sun make it look like a fantasy creature from a fairy tale. The machine can balance itself on any terrain, from vast plains to terraced fields. Inspired by a hot air balloon, this machine hovers high in the sky and uses flexible suction hoses to harvest fruit from towering branches. Its giant propellers not only keep it balanced, but also circulate a cool breeze throughout the farm. From a distance, it looks like a ship traveling through the clouds. Shaped like a writhing steel dragon, the machine has a steam nozzle to deal with weeds and a built-in harvester at the tail. It not only harvests, but also cleans the soil instantly, leaving the field in perfect condition for the next season. Gleaming in the sunset, it is reminiscent of an epic movie scene. The four-legged machine, which stands 20 meters tall, moves smoothly through tomato fields without damaging any of the fruit. Sensors on its belly can detect and pick only the ripest fruit. Its flexible movements make it seem like an alien creature is walking on the ground. A machine as tall as a 10-story building, designed to harvest vast fields of sunflowers. With a circular blade rotating evenly on each floor, it neatly cuts each flower and automatically presses the oil on the spot. The scent of sunflowers spreads around the machine, making people stop to admire it. In the frozen fields, this machine glides like a dancer on an ice rink. The integrated conveyor system allows it to harvest and package vegetables right in the snow, preserving their freshness. The shell reflects blue light, creating an indescribable sense of mystery. The machine uses solar and wind power to operate, with giant blades rotating to harvest rapeseed. The sparkling light from the solar panels combined with the rustling sound of the wind creates a scene that is both peaceful and modern. Equipped with GPS and laser systems, the machine plows, sows, and waters with perfect precision. Its robotic arm can adjust each plow to the terrain, creating rows of seeds as evenly as a work of art. A giant ship glides across the water, pulling dozens of meter-long harvesting arms, collecting seaweed and processing it right on board. The giant underwater propeller creates a mesmerizing dance for those watching from afar. Based on the shape of a bee, this machine flies over the fields to artificially pollinate crops. With its giant transparent wings, it draws soft curves in the sky, creating a fairy tale scene. The machine acts like a giant mechanical cricket, digging through the ground to find and harvest each fresh potato. Its movement loosens the soil, preparing it for the next crop. Shaped like a giant eagle, this machine has a 30-meter-long propeller to harvest rice. It can balance itself in deep flooded fields, helping to increase productivity in low-lying areas. This turtle-shaped machine moves slowly but efficiently, watering and sowing seeds in a vast grassland. Each step it takes is a slow rhythm, bringing a sense of peace. The machine resembles a giant truck with a rotating cylindrical harvester. In just 1 hour, it can harvest an entire field of corn, seed it, and package it on the spot. The machine has a blade that curves like a giant bow, sweeping across the rice paddies. Equipped with temperature and humidity sensors, it ensures timely harvesting for maximum yield.